Guys, this is Velia with Modern Family Travel, and I am here today at Coronado Springs Resort at Walt Disney World, and I am staying in a preferred room here in the Casitas building, building 1. We have a nice view of the courtyard over here, and I'm going to do a quick walkthrough of the room for you, so check it out. Beautiful, quiet area back here, and we are staying in room 1233. And my friend and kids and all of our bags are in here. So you're gonna walk in, there's some artwork here. Nice little chair. There are 2 queen beds in this room. Again, some more artwork in between the beds. Nice little Mickey towel here.
Mickey towel, Mickey towel.
Since this is a convention center resort, you're going to always have a desk area in your room. Coffee station. Down here you're going to have your refrigerator. And that does fit a lot. We fit gallon milks in there, so you can fit a lot in there. Don't mind my kiddos. It's nice about the Coronado Resort is you get your own little welcome here. So welcome the Kennedy and Coon party. Your dresser.
Thanks.
And these rooms were renovated, I believe 2 or 3 years ago. And they have the area under the bed for our luggage, which frees up a lot of room. Don't mind my kids. They've been in a plane for a long time. So you can get connecting rooms here at Coronado Springs. This would be a connecting room. They have the barn slide doors here for the bathroom. Double vanity there. They do have the products here, the individual soap products, some towels, extra toilet paper, tons of storage. You also have your closet here with an ironing board, extra pillows, luggage stand. And when we come over here, you have that separate closed off area for the bathroom. It is a stand-up shower only. And again, you have one of these pocket doors here that can slide so that you have your privacy. Standard toilet section here. And in the shower, you have this nice door. The thing I like about here with their stand-up shower is it's not just a slide door, it is that open hinge door. And you have your toiletries here, which I love these products. And the double rainfall shower with the handheld option. All right, crazy kids, say hello.
Hello, We're just the crazy kids.
If you like this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. Thanks for watching, everyone. Safe travels.